Hello everyone, Oz here. I have a very important guest with me, Cheryl Tibbs. Hey Cheryl.
Hello.
Cheryl and I have known each other for a while now, and we've been trying to schedule this call for a while, but her
Yeah,
schedule is crazy, my schedule is crazy with the holiday season. We finally made it happen. So I'm glad that you made yourself available, Cheryl. Great to have you here.
absolutely. Thanks for having me, Oz.
My pleasure. So as we have a lot of new people, and we also have a lot of veterans too. So veterans already know who you are. Cheryl,
Hmm.
an industry veteran, has been doing this for a while, very successfully. So one thing I know that doing this long enough does not always equate to success. But I just wanted to
Right.
add that she's been doing it successfully for a long time. That's why, and she did the right thing. She picked a vertical and going after that. So why don't we just start with that, Cheryl, where you started
Okay.
off, a little bit about yourself and where you started and where you are right now from that generalist transition into a specialist area, which is very key.
Okay. Okay. Um, well, I guess I've got about 30 years of finance experience, Oz, and like a lot of the veterans, got my start in the mortgage industry. So I was probably in the mortgage industry about 20, 25 years, residential mortgages. And when the big boom happened and the cheese moved, so to speak, from
Mhm.
residential mortgages, I had to move with the cheese. So I got involved with commercial real estate and commercial finance. And I guess probably maybe 10 years ago, I dabbled a little bit in MCA when it was first introduced to the market. I closed one or two deals back in '09, 2010,
Mm.
and just kind of got my start there. And probably over the last few years, um, got a real strong footing with the merchant in the merchant cash advance space. But since probably over the last 4 to 5 years, my income has remained steady. I
Okay.
think this year, for the first time in about 3 or 4 years, I dipped right below 200,000 for one person shop.
So
Um,
very good.
Working on my tax stuff a couple of weeks ago, and I think I hit a little over 190,000.
So for those who, obviously a lot of the people like yourself and mine, entrepreneurial people are financially motivated, right? And you've been
Yes.
doing this for a while right now. So what is the potential? I know that for example, I know you released your numbers last month. It was like over
Mhm.
30,000 or something like that. So is that a one-off number that you do one every 3 years, or you can consistently hit numbers like that, 15,
Oh,
20, 30,
I
40,000?
Yeah, I consistently hit numbers like that. My numbers monthly are anywhere from 18 to 40,000 a month. Um, so like I said, this year we did a little under 200,000.
Mhm.
Um, had some issues going on health wise, so wasn't able to
Sure.
fully commit the full year. But I'm usually between 220 and about 310 as annual revenue, gross revenue.
And this
So
is a one person shop, so you don't have lease, you don't have 15 employees. So it can certainly be done by being yourself, pretty much being a consultant, and the opportunity is right there if you choose to take it. Just like anything, it requires specialization, spending time, and I believe taking ownership. I think some people just, see it as a side thing that they can just do whenever they want and they can just generate income here and there. This just needs to be more than a hobby. This is an actual
right,
business.
right. Right. If you're
Perfect.
expecting to make $100,000, absolutely. I mean, it has to be more than a hobby. I live, eat, and breathe this stuff. And you and I
I
were
know you do.
laughing at the beginning of our interview about how much I travel. I vacation probably 5 times a year. And some of those vacations are working vacations. I'm on the beach with my iPad or with my laptop and my phone, and I'm still doing deals. At the show in Vegas, in the middle of one of the talks there in Vegas, I was sitting at my computer paying a referral broker. I think it was a $10,000 commission that I sent out, just sitting there because I'd funded a deal. So I mean, you just gotta invest time and commit to this deal. And Oz's system works, guys. I'm just gonna tell you.
Absolutely, and I see you were friends on Facebook too, and that's why I was joking because I know you have the location freedom. You can just pretty much pack up and go and still run your business, right? Time
Absolutely.
freedom. You're spending time with family. you're eating at places, whenever you want pretty much, and you can
Absolutely.
take your vacation. And also the financial freedom for one person. Like a lot of people are settling in with making $30,000 a year, and sometimes you're making that in a month as a one-person shop.
Exactly.
So I just want people to kind of grasp that idea of what the potential is, and we're not talking about a 20-person company. That's just one person doing all of that. Just 80% of the battle is the mindset battle, like making the commitment to yourself, not to me, not to Cheryl, that you're in this, and you're gonna be doing this, right? So Cheryl, we're over our time. I don't want to keep you. I know you're a very busy lady, but I do appreciate your time and great to have you here.